Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check Team Italy credit and internet balance. The first method is using your phone's dialer. Simply dial *123# and press call. You'll instantly see your remaining credit on the screen. The second method is through the Team app. Just open the app, log in to your account, and you'll see detailed information about your credit, remaining data, minutes, and any active offers. And the third method is through the team website. Go to the official team site, log in, and your full balance details will appear on your dashboard. And that's it. That's how to check your Team Italy credit and internet balance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.